No, we want to keep that. So I started working on the webhook stuff, and then I was like, oh, let's do WebSockets. And I think it's just not going to be worth the effort to switch to OpenSSL and all that craziness. We'll build again. Stream might hitch real quick. Boy, it's got to rebuild freaking everything. Sorry, the multi-core processing really kills the stream. Let's see if this does not kill the stream. Oh man. Alright, we're back. So this is going to be much simpler. We're just going to use a webhook to post messages, and then we got this bot token that we use to query the API. And we don't need all this junk. We just need this. Alright, let's do it. Let's try and get some data out of their API. Let's put it in a namespace. Yep, we're doing polling. Oh, crap. I'm gonna need multiple headers probably. My API only supports one header. We'll see. Oh, I have to escape it, don't I? Copy pasting a lot of boilerplate code. What's the bot going to do? It's just going to tell people who's online, and then later I'm going to have it so that you can say, I want to play at these specific times. You know, I'm available to play at this time, and then it will like tell people, you know, when when like 4 different people say I'm available at this time, then it'll like notify them all, that kind of thing. So basically replacing the invite system that I've been using, which is vite.in, which is not very good. Alright. Oh. Search for the path you're accessing, not including same rate limit. Rate limit should not be hard-coded. In order to properly support, should parse locally prevent exceeding of the limits as they change. Well, Don't need that, don't need that. Right. So that's good. Alright, that's what it is. I don't even think we need any user data. Yep. And let's look at the API here. Hopefully we won't hit the rate limits. Channel object, get channel messages. I need to know what the API URL is. Discordapp.com/API. We're just gonna hard code it for now. Okay. And then it needed a user agent. Great. So yeah, we're gonna have to change this API to allow multiple headers.
I know it's easy to get lost in yesterday.
Gonna need the channel ID.
Bring back all these things. I know you love them. I know you love them. But I know that I can try again to warm your heart. Please understand, things don't stay forever. We say we want to make a change. I must admit it feels a little strange to see it in a different way. And even if it passes by, this isn't how we say goodbye. Just until
Okay.
There's nothing wrong with shedding tears to make sure that your side is clear and bring to light all your silly fears.
Come on.
Maybe take the time and just stop and cherish what we have instead of losing what we had.
This is tight.
Notice when it's gone.
Royal S list. All right. You know what, I actually could use the same. Why do you prefer developing indie games instead of being a part of, as a developer of one of the well-known game companies? Just more freedom. I can make the weird type of game that I want to make. But I'm not opposed to working for a larger company. It's just what I'm doing right now. Alright, and now... what was it? User agent... Oh my gosh. My sister is bugging me. Alright, or you know what? I don't even need to do that. Check this out. Watch this. Wait a minute. No, I can't do that. There's a way. I don't know what she wants me to get, like, Steam family sharing working. Oh. Okay. I think I fixed it for her. If you want to make good money working for a larger company, go in development for business products. Exactly. Reports, EHR. Exactly. You can make more money doing anything else, doing the same work in any other industry. You take a pay cut for working in games. It works. Okay, good. Alright, there's a way in C++ if you can, like, put defines right in the middle of a string constant. I can't remember how to do it. Let's see. C++ concat define string constant. Preprocessor automatically concatenates adjacent strings. I know there's a way to do it. Or do I want to do that? Sure. Let's see. That's it. Build ID. Alright, I think... Okay, so I don't even need this. I can just... So this build ID is a string constant, and we're just... If you have multiple string constants right in a row like this, the compiler just combines them together. Super handy. Alright, am I even on the latest build here? I think yeah. Oops. We have to rebuild the world. Ah, crap. Cancel. Are you just trying to concatenate two strings or turn an array of strings into a string? Just concatenate, and also all the strings were constants, so I didn't need to do any kind of runtime stuff. Let's see, how best to do this? Let's see. I don't have any, like, time delta system in here, which is strange. I guess... we will pull every 5 seconds. State. That's fine. Okay, let's see how this goes. Alright, we gotta rebuild the world. So then when we want to, so we're just gonna pull this channel, and then when we want to post a message, I've set up a webhook on the server that we can then post messages to, and it'll show up in the channel. And we don't have to deal with WebSockets at all. Oh yeah, James has a pretty good setup. That's true. You've definitely got it made there. Crap. I guess I do have to But if the game is crazy successful, I only get a bonus. Yeah. Well, I think financial stability is a good trade for that. 401 unauthorized. Interesting. What the heck? What the heck? Haha, there we go. Empty bot token. Okay, let me look at this. I don't want to broadcast the bot token. Whoop. Oh, typo. Okay. All right. Interesting. No messages. Alright, let's look at this API. Oh, and I also need to actually put a message into this channel. And then let's look at this. Whoops. Get channel messages. Here we go. Get messages after this message ID. Nice. Okay, so let's say, what is the message ID? Probably a 64-bit int. Turns a message object. Here we go. ID. I'm guessing it's just a 64-bit. Oh, here we go. LLU. Haha! Look at this! No. What? I want to pretty print. JSON beautify. Fake. Okay. Alright. I guess I should configure the channel too, or add a config option for the channel. And Discord user ID. We'll do those here. How did you make your debug button so small? It's always that way. I don't know. There's different menus you can do, and I just disabled them all except for the debug one. And then, yeah, I don't know. It's just the normal debug button. And I gotta find out what the user ID is. So I'm gonna do that. I'm just gonna look in the Discord server and see what numbers. I wonder how you find out what the user ID of a bot is. Oh well, we'll find it out later. Yeah, alright, let's try and post a message. Alright, let's look at the API, webhook, execute webhook. Okay, it's a post. I think I have a way to do that. Nope. We will have to figure that out here in a second. I'm going to go ahead and take a quick break. What time is it? 3:30. Okay. I will be right back. Enjoy Pogo. Why do you divide your code into so many scopes? Just to keep things... Because I tend to not want to split the code into multiple files. I mean, the whole master lobby server is in a single file, just for ease of compiling. And so, to keep things from getting crazy, I put them into namespaces and scopes, so that way, it's not all just one giant file with everything talking to everything else. That would be crazy. Okay, so here's our format of stuff. We're going through here. Oh, I need to actually write that function, right. I guess this could be templated, but we're not going to do it. No, that's better. Okay, do the code scopes help with that, or is it just a coding style to help you organize your code? Yeah, it's both. It helps me organize, and also in C at least, everything that lives inside this scope does not go outside it. So for example, I can have a nice concise name here like state, and inside all of this code I can use the word state, and it's okay. Like state.lastPoll. But later on in this code, you know, thousands of lines later, I don't want to have to worry about this word state being used, and so I keep it inside this namespace so that it doesn't, the scope doesn't leak. Alright, next thing we want to do... I'm gonna get the ID of it.
Alright.
Okay, so this will give us, this will make sure that we don't keep pulling the same messages over and over again. Oh, something else to think about, we should probably have a limit. Default is 50. Trying to think of the best way to do this. When the bot starts up, it should not reprocess all of the same messages over again. So I think what it'll do, okay, this is just going to be an echo server. Okay, so execute webhook, yes. So it's going to be a post request, which I have to figure out how to do with I have to figure out how to do that with curl. I know I did this already, actually. Let's see. There it is. Multi-part formed, it supports both JSON and formed data bodies. It does require multi-part when uploading files. Okay. Let's not do that. I'm just going to crash if I can't initialize curl. Webhooks. Gotta look up what the token is. Nope, not there. What is the webhook token? Oh, okay. It's already it's all built into one URL. Okay. Let's undo everything I just did. Right. Easy peasy. Yeah, okay. We don't need this. So, let's see. Curl post data. No, it is not a large amount of data. Aha. There it is. powder. For this kind of task, C++ is a lot of effort, I feel like. I really would like to learn C++ or Rust, but then I see a lot of code for simple things like a simple Discord communication. Yeah. Yeah. It's got its pluses and minuses. I like curl though. I'm using curl. This is curl that we're using. It's pretty nice. Don't need that. Hyper547, thank you so much for that follow. Welcome to the stream. We are doing crazy C++ programming with Discord. I need to find a performance-related project or something where you can really profit from its benefits. Yeah, definitely. Brand Zero, thank you so much. Oh, wow! Subscription, holy cow. That's crazy. Thank you so much for stopping by. Yeah, everything has, you know, use the right tool for the job, right? And C++ sometimes is the right tool, and sometimes, you know, Python is the right tool, or whatever. In this case, I'm only using C++ because everything is already in C++, and so I don't want to add, you know, as soon as you start adding other languages, you know, soon you got Perl, and you got Ruby, and you got Java, and you have to install like 6 languages just to build your game. So I just wanted to keep everything in one language. That's really the only reason. Otherwise, I would totally be doing this in Python or something. Let's see here. I don't think I need a callback, actually. I'm just gonna, yeah. Okay. And then all we gotta do... Whoa, hey guys! Welcome! Oh my goodness. We're making a Discord bot. Post fields. Alright, let's see what... Yo! Hey, Hardly Difficult. Thank you so much for that, host. Welcome, newcomers. So, yeah, we're working on this Discord bot to be able to... And we started out messing with WebSockets, trying to do a full-on bot that you can chat with individually. Lugaroo! Thank you so much for that follow. Welcome to the stream. Yeah, so we started out doing some cool stuff with WebSockets and stuff, and then we needed OpenSSL, and that was a huge disaster. And now we're just doing some simple HTTP REST API stuff with curl, which is a lot easier. So trying to figure out how to do this. And so we have received the messages from our Discord channel here. Where's my Discord channel? This is our Discord channel. So we have queried this channel, and we have received the messages. We got it in this right here. Comes in JSON. So that's all good. And now what we're currently working on is posting a new message to the channel. So we want our bot to be able to speak back to us. Why can't I? There we go. We want the bot to be able to say something here. So, Six Mountain, thank you so much for that follow. Welcome. Yes, so posting a message. It says, the API says we can post it as a form or as JSON, which I would really like to do it in JSON. So we're gonna do I think it's data/JSON is the correct MIME type. Rite of passage to code a bot, yeah. Totally. Battlemaster 2012, thank you so much for that follow. Welcome to the stream. Here we go. Yeah, so all we gotta do is like this. content, hello world. And then we do cjson print. Mr. Aftermoons. Nice. Thank you so much for that follow. Welcome. Message string. JSON mon type application / JSON. Thank you. All right. That should be good. Zero Xeon, thank you so much for that follow. Yeah, we'll just do this. Hey, Dr. Robot Vinnick, what's up? I'm making a Discord bot today. Okay, here's what we're gonna do. Alright, here goes nothing. Keep an eye on this Discord channel. You guys, there's a link to this Discord also, by the way, if you guys are interested, in the description for this game. Nothing happened. Alright. Oh! Nope. Alright, you had me going there for a second. I was so excited. And then I'm still excited. That's pretty exciting. Let's see, so let's step through this real quick. Parses the JSON, gets the message, the author exists. Discord bot user ID, author. Let's look and see what we can do. CJ, too few arguments. Okay, it doesn't have an ID. Oh, someone's... So what does this have? Author. Child. Okay, it's got username. It's got discriminator, whatever that is. ID. 00. Oh, it's a string. Gosh darn it. That makes it really sucky. Alright, fine. Of course it's a string. Of Cloper, hello. How are you? Alright, fine. Alright, what's the longest? Toxic Froggin, thank you so much for that follow. Welcome. Let's say 32. Should be fine. Alright, so get string. Psytrance, thank you so much for that follow. Welcome, welcome. Okay, so this now needs to be a string. Oh boy. Liberadane K. Liberadane K. Danik. Liberadanic. I try my best. Welcome. Jared P. Bother. Wow, you guys are flowing in now. I can't handle this. We're gonna put this up here. Max Discord. Discord +1. All right. Can't find the Discord link? Yeah, it should be in the Twitch description. Oh, he's got it. If you pronounce it 3 times the possibility of getting it right. Yeah, I just try everything. It's kind of a scattershot approach. Alright, so we want to get the ID from the last message. If ID Discord ID length. Okay. I gotta do this nonsense. Lever Adanic. I'm still. That's just one more try that I'm doing here. So we'll add that to the pile. I'm very sorry. Okay, so should be good now. See what happens. All right, that's good. That's not good. It's pulling the same messages over and over again. Last pull message ID. Ah! After equals this. Yes. All right, and then we should. We're going to turn on this so that we can see what's going on with our post message, because that should be triggering the post message here. Hello world. Let's see, how do we... Wonder how I... Curl slist. Wonder how I iterate through that. Ah, sweet. Mr. Riddle, thank you so much for that follow. Welcome. Oops, I keep doing that. That's weird. Oh, we can't. There's no way to get the headers. Well. Alright then. We can print them out manually. Yeah, let's just print them out manually. Although it's going to print out a bunch of authorization keys, which I hopefully don't. Please don't hack me. Post. You know what? We don't need to print out the headers. It's okay. There should not be a bug there. We'll just print out what the response is from the server, which probably also has incriminating data. Oh my. No URL set. That's not good. After value is not a snowflake. Right. Discord has this weird thing called snowflakes. Right. I'm sure it'll be fine. Alright, let's not do this. Let's instead do this. And then let's see what happens. Oh, derp. Derp. Alright, that would do it. Okay, and then we'll handle the snowflake issue. Alright, see how this goes. Cannot send an empty message. Alright, let's not overdo it. Post length 142 bytes. Jeesh. Huh. Cannot send an empty message. $142 bytes doesn't sound like empty to me. Post fields. Is this like an outdated example that I was working off of here? Curl opt post fields. That's it. That's all there is to it. Content string up to 2,000 characters. Hmm. Post fields does get copied, I believe. Pointing to the full data, you must make sure the data is formatted. Oh! Ah! Yes, that is what we want. That is what we want. Oh, I should probably read things. Alright, let's try that. Yeah, use after free bug there. That's probably not good. Oh! What? Oh man. Ha, this is awesome. Okay, stop. Check it out. Why is the... Oh, I didn't set his avatar. I'll fix that. Cool. That's pretty sweet. Alright, so then, now what we should do is hook it together and make it into an Echo server. Whoa. That was not good. Ah. It's still not pulling. It's still pulling and receiving like all of the messages. Oh, and it receives them in reverse order. Darkmail76, thank you so much for that follow. Welcome. Yeah, so we don't even need this anymore. Let's see first. Oh, you know what? Actually, there's a previous. Yeah. Indie Loot, thank you so much for that follow. Welcome. This should be a string as well. Okay. He's filling up our channel with spam. I don't want to actually... Alright. Okay, so it's getting all of them. Good. It didn't echo any of them. And now... it's requesting all of them after the most recent message. And let's see what happens. JSON. No messages. Alright. Now. So instead of pulling and receiving all the same messages over and over again, it now knows how to get the most recent messages. Here we go. Yeah! No. Okay. Yeah, it's pulling itself. Marco Lo Sol. Marco Lo Solo. Welcome. Thank you so much for that follow. So the bot is receiving its own message. So I need to figure out what the user ID for this guy is. Let's... Alright. Data. Copy value. We're gonna put it in here. Oh, jeez. Oh, come on. Give me the actual value. I want to just... Gosh darn it. Can I do this? Haha! It worked, oh my gosh. Dev mode, right click bot, copy ID. I don't know how to do developer mode. I'm a Discord noob. But look, here we go. Author, bot, true, ID, there it is. So I'll just paste that into my config file. And that should do it. In Discord client settings, dev info. Oh, I just use it in Firefox. All right, here we go. Test 3. The idea behind the bot is it's going to be like a matchmaking bot, so that it'll tell people if people are online. No, what's going on? Alright, let's see. Discord bot user ID is blank. That's no good. Just another typo. Also, are you using a framework /lib for this? For this part, no. Well, this master server, I'm using SQLite for the database. I'm using curl for the HTTP. That's pretty much it. I think we can turn this back off. And yeah. All right. Okay, and awesome. It doesn't keep repeating itself. That is good. Typo is a dev's worst nightmare. Spend a day debugging something to find I was using a wrong var. Yeah, exactly. Cool. So we should be able to... This should be able